have been different international media outlets that have been reporting on AI-171 crash post the preliminary report, and yesterday on that AIIB has sent out an appeal and asked to not come to conclusions. They said that final investigation report will come out with the root cause and recommendation, and have also said called out the international media for selective and unverified reporting. What would you like to say on that?
There seems to be a narrative that's being built out here. First by the reporter who reported this 2 days before, and then later on picked up with the Wall Street Journal, which reported 2 days later. A similar looking narrative. And now the third instance of the Wall Street Journal, again on the 17th of this month, which has gone into further details, none of which I believe should have been available to them. And in any case, I do not think they have the locus standi to be able to carry out such reports without the authorization of the official Indian Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, who have the full authority to investigate this accident. How this media report has emerged, from what sources, whether it's the NTSB team or whether it is the Boeing team or whether it's the engine manufacturer team or whoever it was that had come during the preliminary stages of the investigation, and whether it's been leaked via them or through them is not known. In any case, I don't think they have any locus standi.
Sir, in the appeal itself, the AIIB has said that the purpose of AIIB investigation and preliminary report is to provide information about what happened, and they have also said that AIIB will also publish updates as and when required, which have technical public interest.
Absolutely, absolutely. I completely agree with that. And if there is some report which comes out, something that the investigations reveal, which have an impact upon the safe operation of aircraft or safe operation of the engine, they will immediately come out and inform both the original equipment manufacturer as well as the original engine manufacturer, because it has an impact on safety of all the 1,200 odd Boeing 787 Dreamliners that are flying in the country.
Since many days we are seeing international media outlets are coming up with these different theories as per sources, talking about pilots of the aircraft. Yesterday when AIIB has finally spoken and addressed the issue, how do you see? Do you think is it late, or do you think it's right time when they have come up with this appeal?
First and foremost, I think that the initial preliminary report of the AIIB has lent itself to a great degree of ambiguity, which is the reason why media houses have picked up, and media houses within our country also have picked up and pointed out inconsistencies in tenor, in language, in reporting, etc., etc. The fact that the Aircraft Accident Investigation Board has actually come out with a statement indicates the gravity of the situation and indicates the fact that everybody in this country is concerned that the pilots are being vilified, that the pilots are being told that they were responsible for it, and they're not out here to protect themselves. So it is up to us, the ones that are still around, to be able to stand up on their behalf and say that such sort of reporting without concrete evidence, without concrete proof, is unfortunate, it is unwarranted and completely unethical.